Good morning, residents of Johannesburg. My name is Katuchiro Mrauzi. I'm the spokesperson for the Executive Mayor of the City of Johannesburg. As you can see, behind me is the Marble Towers building. Yesterday, we were here with the Executive Mayor of the City of Johannesburg, alongside the members of the mayoral committees and city officials, where we were demolishing the illegal structures that were erected here at the Marble Towers. So yesterday in the evening, we got an interdict from the owners of the Marble Towers. The interdict says we're not allowed to demolish any structures. We're not allowed to do anything basically here at the Marble Tower structures. So court is sitting this morning at 10 a.m. We're then going to abide by the court processes and hear what the court says at 10 a.m. when we sit. But we're still saying we will continue to enforce the bylaws of the city, because it is our duty to make sure that there's law and order in the inner city. And the work of the executive mayor will not stop now just because there's an interdict. We are going to other areas in the inner city where we'll be dealing with the illegal activities that are taking place, and we'll be enforcing the bylaws of the city. So this is as the result of what happened yesterday when we were demolishing the illegal structures. Unfortunately, we will not be demolishing this morning until we hear what the court says at 10 a.m. this morning. Thank you.
We have been telling you to remove your stuff. We have been telling you.
Only 1 hour.
We have been telling you to remove your stuff. You think we are joking?
You never tell us.
How many times did I tell you? I walked here.
Me myself. I know. No, me I know what I was
told
here.
all of
I was not here. Just myself, I demolished.
Myself, if the owner is willing to fix the things and wait for the
I demolished myself.
But since that time, you never get any applications.
I demolished myself.
Since then, you never get applications. Just give us an hour.
Just
give us 1 hour only. Just only 1 hour.
I feel like 21 days, so they didn't want to move. So mayor is doing a right thing. I'm happy. Finally, I'm happy with everything. Yes, you are fine. You are fine. Wow, you are fine. Oh, what is the worry? I said, what did you do? It's going back.
So are they the ones who had opened the shop? Was it operating?
They were actually closing when they.
So it was operating. They closed when you arrived.
This is a source, and then Sababonaba.
So Babo Piwe Manja.
Yes. Okay. And this lady from the other shop there.
It was open also. Hey!
Why are you running away?
Why are you running?
Why are you running? Stop running, Mr. Demand.
Stop running. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run.
There's nothing wrong, Amanda. Yes. Yes, animal. Hey, hey, no.
Tata we raule mo tata mre rubele kile kembere ko o mukaune o uria. Thank you.